Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama channel. Let's cook sauteed pusit adobo. First boil the whole pusit or squid in vinegar, soy sauce, peppercorns, and garlic. You may add bay leaf. Saute garlic, then add onions, and when they're transparent, you can add the tomatoes, 20 of them. Add salt to taste, add ground pepper, add the sauce from the adobong pusit. Mix a little, then cover, then check. We need to get to see the tomatoes really cooked well and blending together. So cover, mix, cover, add the adobo sauce from the first boiling of the whole pusit, and there you go. At this time, slice the pusit into bite sizes. Add in the celery, leave some of the leaves for topping. Add the sliced bell pepper, also the siling panigang and labuyo. Cover, then mix again. When the sauce has thickened, then let's add the sliced pusit or squid. Cover and simmer for about 2 minutes, and that's it. Don't let it boil some more because the squid will harden and very difficult to bite. Then add the celery leaves. Happy cooking, everybody. Happy eating. And thank you for watching. Thanks, Tia Flor. Travels, gardens, ikinobo, ikibana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.